In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your LastPass account. We'll walk through a simple set of actions inside your vault to strengthen your security and set up a recovery option so you can protect your data and still get back in if you ever forget your master password. Start by opening your browser and going to lastpass.com vault. Sign into your vault so you're looking at the main dashboard where your passwords and items live. From here, look to the left-hand side for account settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear as text in the sidebar or behind a small settings icon. Click that to open your account controls. Inside account settings, choose the General section. This is where LastPass keeps key options related to your account identity and security. Take a moment to scan the page so you know what's there. The option we want is called Master Password. Find the Master Password area. This is the single most important credential for your vault because it encrypts and unlocks everything you store. When you change it, you'll typically be prompted to enter your current master password first, and you may need to confirm the change by following on-screen prompts. Before you proceed, make sure you're on a device you trust, have a stable connection, and set aside a minute to complete the update without rushing. Now, change your master password to a strong one. Aim for a long, unique passphrase that's easy for you to remember but hard to guess. Length is your best friend here. Think well beyond the minimum. Mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid personal details, predictable patterns, or anything you've used elsewhere. Don't reuse passwords from other sites. After you enter and confirm the new passphrase, save your changes. LastPass will re-encrypt your vault with the new key, and you may be signed out on other devices, which is normal. The next time you log in, use your new master password. While you're still in settings, you can also use SMS account recovery. This feature lets LastPass text a verification code to your mobile device if you forget your master password, giving you a way to recover access. Follow the prompts on screen to add and verify your number, and keep it current so recovery works when you need it. Treat this as a safety net you hope you never use, and be mindful of who has access to your phone. That's it. By visiting your vault, opening account settings, adjusting the general section, updating your master password, and enabling SMS account recovery, you've taken meaningful steps to secure your LastPass account.